Interpark e-commerce platform will achieve brilliant achievements in 2022 with the efforts of all the agency members around the world. At present, the market share of the Interpark e-commerce platform in South Korea has risen to the first place, known as Korea Amazon, and the market value of Interpark's stock price has jumped to 714 billion won, $624 million. Interpark online shopping mall has won the first place in KCSI as an online shopping mall for 9 consecutive years. Chairman of Interpark will invite elites from cities around the world on December 30, 2020. The agent will go to Seoul, South Korea to attend the year-end meeting. At that time, the invited agent will be awarded the year-end reward, and the year-end reward of millions of dollars is waiting for you.
View the current welfare activities of the platform in the banner position. Check out the Interpark profile to understand the mall and development direction. You can learn about the company's reward system in promotional rewards. Welcome new members to Watch Teaching. Invite your friends to join us. You and your friends will get more benefits. Interpark Financial Management is also known as term deposit. You can deposit large amounts of money at a predetermined interest rate for a fixed period of time. At the end of your term, you receive a lump sum payment plus interest, which is a great money-saving plan. Now we'll introduce you to the order grabbing process. Automatic order grabbing. Each click can generate a virtual order to complete the corresponding commission. The commission per order is shown here. The funds for the working account are shown here. The number of completed orders is shown here. The number of cancelled orders is shown here. The commission shown here is for yesterday. The commissions shown here are the commissions from yesterday's team. In the personal screen, you deposit and withdraw funds through here. Here you can view your personal data, find your withdrawal address, and set up and trade passwords. Here you can view your order history. Here you can view the details of your account. Here you can view the commission breakdown. Here you can check the platform notice. Here you can invite your friends to join us. Here you can view the app download address. Interpark welcomes you to join us.